Technology makes our life so much more easier, especially when you're in the insurance business. For example, our term life comparison software allows us to compare 175 different companies to find the lowest rate for you in an instant. Our health insurance software allows us to compare different health insurance companies. And now our annuity evaluation software allows us to do the same thing for you on the annuity side. Annuities do offer a variety of benefits for the conservative investor who is looking for some form of guarantees from the underlying insurance companies. Some of these benefits could include guaranteed interest rates for a specific period of time, guaranteed income benefits or guaranteed withdrawal benefits, the tax deferral growth of your savings, reducing taxation on your Social Security earnings, and the ability to avoid probate upon the passing of the annuity owner. But with some of these benefits also come extra fees and expenses that can add up significantly over time and can affect your total return on investment. And that is why we recommend you should periodically compare your existing annuities to the newer ones on the market just to make sure that you're getting your money's worth. And if you're considering buying a new annuity, make sure you understand all of the features, benefits, underlying expenses, and surrender charges, so there are no surprises for you in the future. The annuity landscape is also changing all of the time with new features and riders and living benefits like long-term care. And this applies to all types of annuities, including fixed, index, and variable. Until now, it was very difficult for us to compare two annuities in relation to their fees and withdrawal benefits. Fortunately, now we have a software solution that allows us to make this job a little bit more easier. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it does make it more easier for us to do an apples-to-apples comparison. If you would like to consider our annuity solutions, schedule your discovery call today and let's talk.